Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the past paper questions related to the topic log and exponential function. Now in last class we have discussed the complete concept and one or two past paper questions. Now today we will focus on the past paper questions related to this topic और आज हम जो डिस्कस करेंगे वो हम अक्टूबर नवंबर 2020 के पास्ट पेपर क्वेश्चंस करेंगे related to the topic log and exponential function. Now this one is the first question. Now here we can see, let's solve the equation this. Now first of all we have to rearrange it. If we rearrange it, so this equation will become 1 is equals to 2 log of 10 x plus 1 minus log of 10 log of 10 2x plus 1 log of 2x plus 1 to the base 10. Now if we use the property of a power rule, that the power rule is if we have 2 log of x, so we can write this one as log of x square. So here similarly we will use the same property over here, that we have to shift to into the power. So 1 is equals to log of 10 log of x plus 1 whole square to the base 10 minus log of 2x plus 1 to the base 10. Now we can see that these two logs are same. These two logs are same, which means that we can write it in the form of division, because we have a rule, another rule related to log, that log of x minus log of y will be equals to log of xy. This is the rule you have to follow. So here this will become 1 is equals to log of x plus 1 whole square divided by 2x plus 1. Now what we have to do, we have to convert it into exponential form, and in exponential form basically this thing is equals to 1. So let's write it on the right side. Now in exponential form, let's say we have log of x to the base 5 is equals to 2. So we can, if we want to convert it into the exponential form, then this will be 5 square is equals to x. And the reason behind it is that we have to shift or we have to interchange x and 2. ये बड़ा simple सा way है कि this form is the exponential form and this form is the logarithmic form and this form is the exponential form. So exponential से logarithmic या logarithmic से exponential form में जाना हो तो easily आप transfer कर सकते हैं. Now this one is logarithmic form, इसको exponential form में अगर लिखना चाहें, so this will be, इस complete form को, ये जो x plus 1 whole square divided by 2x है, इसको हम दूसरी साइड शिफ्ट कर देंगे और 1 को इस साइड पे ले आएंगे. So this will be 10 power 1 is equals to x plus 1 whole square whole divided by 2x plus 1. Now अब तो ये बेसिक क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्म बन गई. So this will be 10 into 2x plus 1 is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now let's simplify it further. So this will be 20x. Okay, we can solve it over here so that we can use the question in the next form, that this will be 20x so this will be 20x plus 10 is equals to x square plus 2x plus 1. और simplify करें, so x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 20x minus 10 is equals to 0। अब हम इसको फर्दर सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं। सो इफ यू सिंप्लीफाई इट फर्दर, सो दिस विल बिकम, दिस विल बी x square minus 18x minus 9 is equals to 0। सो हम यहाँ से डायरेक्टली इसको कैलकुलेटर पे भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। सो वी कैन सी that this one is, this will be mod 5 and 3, and then this a is 1, b is minus 18 and c is minus 9. So this will be equals to, one answer will be 18.48. So x is equals to 18.487, and the other answer will be minus 0.48. X is equals to minus 0.48. So these two will be the final answer. This will be the final answer. एक चीज़ और जो इम्पोर्टेंट बात है वो ये है कि आपने थोड़ा सा इसको ऑब्जर्व ज़रूर करना है कि अगर आप इस इन x की वैल्यूज़ को पुट करें इन द मेन इक्वेशन, लॉग का आंसर नेगेटिव नहीं आना चाहिए। सो यू कैन सी कि ये फॉर्म आपके पास नेगेटिव नहीं होनी चाहिए। सो x की पॉजिटिव वैल्यू पुट करेंगे तो ये दोनों पॉजिटिव ही रहेंगे, तो ये तो एक वेरीफाइड है। सेकेंड वैल्यू भी अगर आप पुट करेंगे इसमें तो दिस फॉर्म विल नॉट बी नेगेटिव। सो दैट इज वाई दोनों आंसर्स वैलिड हैं और हम दोनों को ही कंसिडर कर सकते हैं। आई होप दैट द कॉन्सेप्ट इज क्लियर। लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सॉल्व द इक्वेशन दिस। अब इस क्वेश्चन में भी we can clearly see that this one is in the form of logarithmic form है और सॉल्व में हमने इसको एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है। सो वी कैन राइट, हमें पता है कि नेचुरल लॉग की बेस क्या होगी, log ऑफ 1 प्लस e पावर माइनस 3x टू द बेस e इज इक्वल्स टू 2। तो अब हम एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करें, दिस विल बी e पावर 2 is equals to 1 plus e power minus 3x। अब ये एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में हमने कन्वर्ट कर दिया है, तो अब इसको फर्दर हम सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं। Now from here if we rearrange this one, so this will be e power minus 3x is equals to e square minus 1. Now from here what we have to do, we can take log on both sides. Let me write it over here, so this must be clear. So this will be e square minus 1. Now if we take log on both sides, so this will become, we can write this one as like this. So this will be equals to, here we can use the power rule. So this will be minus 3x natural log of e is equals to natural log of e square minus natural log of 1. Now natural log of 1 is what? Let's check this one. Natural log of 1 will be equals to 0. So we can ignore this portion. So this will be equals to, so minus 3x natural log of e is equals to natural log 2e. So because we have to use the power rule over here, so this will be equals to, x will be equals to 2 natural log of e whole divided by minus 3 natural log of e. Natural log of e. So if we can cancel out these two, so minus 2 by 3 minus 2 divided by 3 will be equals to minus 0.67. X will be equals to minus 0.67. This will be the final answer, 667. We can write 667. This will be the final answer. Now let's move to another question. It is again from October-November 2020, and this one is paper 3 too. So let's move to the first one. By taking logarithm, show that the graph of y against x is a straight line. State the exact value of the gradient of the line. Now we know that the gradient of the line is, the equation of the line is y is equals to mx plus c. So let's use this form that first of all we have to take the log on both sides. So log of 2y is equals to log of 3 power 1 minus 2x. Now we will use the first property, that power rule, that natural log of 2 is equals to natural log of 1 minus 2x natural log of 3. This one is the power rule. Now if we simplify it, if we rearrange it further, so this will be equals to, y is equals to, now this, if we multiply this one with this thing, so this will be natural log of 3 minus 2x natural log of 3 whole divided by natural log of 2, because ये 2 इस साइड पे मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है और दूसरी साइड पे लाके हम इसको डिवाइड की फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. And finally, if we rearrange this one further, so this will be minus 2 natural log of 3 whole divided by natural log of 2x plus natural log of 3 divided by natural log of 2. So this will be the final answer, and we can clearly identify that this portion will be the gradient. This portion will be the gradient, because we know that whatever we have, whatever the coefficient of x will be the gradient. I hope that the concept is clear. So the gradient, the value of gradient will be equals to minus 2 natural log of 3 whole divided by natural log of 2. So this will be the final answer. Let's move to the B part. Find the exact answer. Find the exact x coordinate of the point of intersection of this line with the line this. Okay, this one is quite simple, that the one equation is, the equation of the first line is this one. So we have to equate, we have to find the point of intersection. So point of intersection जब भी find करना हो तो हम simultaneously solve करते हैं. So we just have to put the equation 1 in equation 2. So this will be equals to 3x is equals to minus 2 natural log of 3 whole divided by natural log of 2. Okay, we can take the LCM for the first question so that we can simplify it further. So this will be plus natural log of 3 whole divided by natural log of 2. Now if we simplify it further, so this will become 3x natural log of 2 plus 2 natural log of 3x. In fact, we can write this one as we have to make the x as a subject. So that is why we can write this one as plus 2 natural log of 3x plus, sorry, this should be, yes, this will be is equals to natural log of 3. Now here what we can do is, we know that we have natural, this one is basically like minus 2x natural log of 3 minus 2x natural log of plus 2x natural log of 3. So from here, let me write it with clarity, that x is not the function of natural log, it is a separate function. So that is why we can take x common. So if we take x common, so this will be, if we take x common, so this will be 3 natural log of 2 plus 2 natural log of 3 is equals to natural log of 3. Now if we simplify it further, so this will be x natural log of 2 cube plus natural log of 2 cube plus natural log of 3 square is equals to natural log of 3. Now this will be, x will be equals to natural log of 8 plus natural log of 9 is equals to natural log of 3. Now again, this will be, we can see that if we have the plus form, like natural log of x plus natural log of y, this will be equals to natural log of xy. This is the property. So that is why we have to directly multiply it. So this will be natural log of 72 is equals to natural log of 3. And if we divide it further, so this will be, x will be equals to natural log of 3 divided by natural log of 72. We don't need to simplify it further, because in the question they said that your final answer must be in the form of this. So this will be the final answer, and a will be equals to 3 and b will be equals to 72. Let's move to the next question. October November 2020, paper 3. I think we have discussed this question earlier. 2 log of 2x plus 1, 2 log of 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 1. Yes, we have already discussed this question. So that is why that is it for today. So today we have discussed the October November 2020 papers related to a paper 1 of all the variants related to the topic log and exponential functions. In the next class, we will discuss the questions from the same topic from May-June 2020. And if you will have any question, you can ask it in the comment section. And if you have missed the lesson, you can see the link in the description. Thank you.